Are you preparing for MAT 2026 examination? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be seeing MAT previous year question paper, which was asked in near future, basically about like 2020 papers. Okay, I have mixed all the papers I have given you, and this mainly focus on mathematical skills, which is a little tougher part for most of them. So yes, let's see how do we learn. Yeah. Now, A can hit a target 4 times in 5 shots. B can hit target 3 times in 4 shots. Then C can hit target twice in 3 shots. They fire together. Find the probability at least 2 shots hit the target. So this is our question. So how do we approach it? First of all, let us see the probability of A hitting. Okay, so probability of A hitting, let me keep it as P of A. It is 4 times in 5 shots. Probability of B hitting is nothing but 3 times in 4 shots. Probability of C hitting is nothing but 2 times in 3 shots. So we have to find the probability at least 2 shots hit together. So at least 2 shots hit together means either AB should hit and C should not hit. Dash means it is not hitting. And you can say A is not hitting, B and C is hitting. Then you can say A and C are hitting, B is not hitting. Okay, that can happen. Or all 3 can hit. That is also that. So this is what we are supposed to find. Yeah, this is what we are supposed to find. Now let's find individually. Okay, since they are independent of each other, we can directly write P of A B dash is nothing but P of A into P of B into P of C dash. C dash is nothing but, so P of A dash is nothing but 1 minus P of A. So if you are, if this is just a probability, so suppose if I am doing 4 by 5 times, and the chances of not doing is 1 by 5, which is 1 minus that one. So which is nothing but 1 by 5. Similarly, for P of B dash is nothing but 1 by 4. P of C dash is nothing but 1 by 3. So when I calculate this, I'll be getting 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, which is 1 by 5. Similarly, if I do for A dash B C, it will be 1 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, which is 2 by 15. Now similarly, when I do for P of A B dash C, I'll be getting 2 by 15. Okay, I already explained you the sum. I'm just writing the answer directly. So P of A, B, C if I do, which is nothing but P of A into P of B into P of C, which is nothing but 2 by 5. If I multiply and cancel all the terms, I'll be getting 2 by 5. So now the required probability is when I add all those things. So required answer is nothing but 1 by 5 plus 2 by 15 plus 2 by 15 plus 2 by 5, which I'll be getting it as 5 by 6. So the find the probability at least 2 hits the shot. So 2 hit the shot probability is nothing but 5 by 6 is your probability. Now let's quickly go to the next Okay, so the odds that A agrees with truth are 3:2. Odds that B agrees with truth are 5:3. Find the percentage of cases that are likely to agree with each other on identical points. Okay, so basically probability that A agrees with truth. Probability that A agrees with truth. So probability that A agrees with truth. So these are the ratio. 3 is agreeing, 2 is not agreeing. Okay, so 3 by 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 3 by 5. Same way, probability that B agrees with truth is nothing but, this is what it agrees, 5:3. So 5 by 5 plus 3, which is 5 by 8. Now probability it is disagreeing. So P of A dash is probability it is disagreeing. Agreeing. So which is nothing but 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 2 by 5. P of B dash is nothing but 1 minus 5 by 8, which is 3 by 8. So this is what probability A is disagreeing, B is disagreeing. So now we are supposed to find likely to agree with each other on identical points. So A and B both agree, plus B, A dash and B dash does not agree together, disagree. So that is what they are asking. Like they are on the same wavelength. Okay, when are they in the same wavelength? So this is P of A into P of B plus, because since it is independent events, so next P of A dash into P of B dash. So when I do that, it will be 3 by 5 into 5 by 8 plus 2 by 5 into 3 by 8. So when I do everything together, it will be having 21 by 40. Since they asked the percentage, I am just multiplying by 100. Since the answer is given in percentage, I'm multiplying by 100. I'll be getting approximately 52.5% is my approximate answer, right? Now let's quickly go to the next one. Okay. Now pipeline, fill a pipe A 3 times. Pipe A fills a pipe A 3 times faster than the second pipe B, and it takes 32 minutes less than pipe B. So basically pipe A is faster and it takes 32 minutes less than. Now when will the cistern be full, which means any flask or something will be full if both pipes are open together. So now let us see time taken for, because time for pipe A is dependent on B. So we are keeping the variable as X for the B alone. Okay. So time taken by pipe B alone is X minutes. Since pipe A is 3 times faster, so pipe A is 3 times faster, so it takes, how much it takes time. Okay, so time of pipe A is nothing but, since it is 3 times faster, if I'm keeping 15 as my pipe B minutes, it will be 5. So divide by 3, basically that only. Okay. Now it is given that pipe A's time is 32 minutes less than pipe B. So pipe A's time is 32 minutes less than pipe B. When I'll be getting my equation for X as, when I solve this equation, I'll be getting equation for X as X is equal to 48. Now when will the cistern be full? So I know the time for pipe A and pipe B. So pipe A time is nothing but 48 minutes. Pipe, that's not A. Pipe B time is 48 minutes. Pipe A time is divided by 3, which is 16 minutes. So rate of filling. What is the rate of filling? So rate of filling. So rate of filling of pipe B is basically 1 by 48. This is pipe B. And pipe A is 1 by 16, because for 1 minute how much it fills. Okay, just 1 by that, because per this many minutes is taking. For 1 minute is 1 by 48. For pipe A it is 1 by 16. Now when both total rate both work together, so when they work together, it will be 1 by 48 plus 1 by 16. So basically it is 4 by 48. So you will be getting it as 1 by 12. So per minute it is filling, per minute it's filling 1 by 12. So in total it takes time to fill is just reciprocal of it. Time to fill, it will be 12 minutes. I hope you understood the sum. If you want to explain again, let me explain in a quick way. See, we know the time taken for pipe A and pipe B. So that is total time. For 1 minute, how much it fills is 1 by. So for example, for 48 minutes, it fills 1 full work means. So 1 minute, it fills 1 by 48. That is what we are calculating. And same way 1 by 16. So total time rate. So total per minute, it finishes 1 by, if both are given together per minute, it can finish 1 by 12. So total minutes for finishing 1 is nothing but the reciprocal of it. Yes, I hope you understood this question, and thank you for watching. We definitely have a part 2 video of it. So keep watching. The next video will come in the next alternative days. We will be posting videos every alternative days. So at 6:30. So without fail, watch it. And thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.